Good day everyone. In this laboratory activity, I will demonstrate a simple system integration prototype based on the concept of integrative programming and technologies. In modern organization, different systems often used to communicate with each other even if they are built using different technologies or maintained by different departments. This process is called system integration. So there are common integration models now. There are three. So first we have data integration. This means that systems exchange structured data directly. And the second one is functional integration. System calls functions or services from another system. And the last one is presentation integration. This system can combine interfaces from different applications. So in this context now, or this experiment, I implemented data integration using a simple student data system. So we will use this data integration. This prototype contains two subsystems, which are the subsystem A and the subsystem B. The subsystem A is the data provider, which is the file named student.bonds. So this file contains structured student information in JSON format, including student ID, name, and course. The subsystem B is the consumer or display system, which is the index.html file. This contains a simple user interface and JavaScript code that retrieves the data from subsystem A and display it to the user. In the index.html file, I created a simple interface with a button labeled Show Students. When the button is clicked, it calls the JavaScript function loadStudent. This line uses the Fetch API to retrieve the student data from the file student.bonds. This converts the retrieved data into JSON format so the system can process it. So JavaScript data.student.for each student. So this system loops through each student record and dynamically creates list elements to display them in the browser. So I open the browser. I click it to run it in the live server. The browser opens. Click Show Student. So as we can see, the data stored in subsystem A is successfully retrieved and displayed by subsystem B. This confirms that the two subsystems are integrated through data exchange. During integration, some potential challenges may occur. One example is data format mismatch, where one system might use XML while another uses JSON. Another issue is structural differences, where the field names or data structure might not match between systems. In real-world systems, this often requires data transformation or ETL processes to ensure compatibility between systems. In the real-world organization, system integration is very important. For example, if a university system, the enrollment system, student information system, and finance system must exchange data with each other. Similar integration are also used in banking system, HR management system, and e-commerce platforms. This prototype demonstrates a simple implementation of data integration, where one subsystem provides structured data and the other subsystem consumes and displays that data.